let it go, and watch it. Whoa, that scared me. Whoa, whoa. Today we will be learning about how to inflate a balloon without blowing air in it. So, let's go.
Everyone, this is the Learning PEARadise, and if you like our videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. The Learning PEARadise is the place to be. Play, explore, use art, and read. Come along with us on our learning journey. Play, explore, use art, and read. New videos each and every week. Play, explore, use art, and read. E is for explore.
Hey guys, it's the Learning PEARadise where we live and learn while playing, exploring, using art, and reading. And today we're doing exploring. Today, since it is officially Black History Month, we will be learning about Mary Elliott Hill. You're probably wondering, who is Mary Elliott Hill? Well, she is one of the earliest African Americans to become a chemist. She attended Virginia State University for Negroes, and she taught at several different colleges. That is an amazing person right there, guys. So, let's become chemists like Mary Elliott Hill. These are the ingredients you're going to need. A bottle, a funnel, a spoon, vinegar, measuring cup, baking soda, and a balloon, the most important part. So, okay, first thing you're going to want to do is pour 1/4 cup of vinegar into your measuring cup. There you go. Now, you're going to want to put your balloon on the end of the funnel. You're going to take 4 spoonfuls of baking soda and there you go. I might have did 5, but that's okay. Okay, now you're going to pour the 1/4 cup of vinegar into the bottle. You take your balloon off very carefully. Now we're going to put the balloon on the top of this and then watch it inflate. Ooh, that almost fell, guys. That was terrible. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try this one more time. Okay, I successfully got it over that time. 3rd time's charm. Let it go and watch it. Whoa, that scared me. Whoa, whoa. Get a little too big. Okay, that scared me for a second. Might have added a little too much baking soda. But this happens because the chemical reaction between the vinegar and the baking soda made the carbon dioxide, and it filled it up all the way up into the balloon until it inflated. I hope you guys had fun with this experiment. I did, so I hope you guys will enjoy it too. Bye!
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.